Alright, so I want to talk about something I've read. So rumors are that the future iPhone 10 would have three cameras. Three cameras. The P20 Pro from Huawei already has this, as you can see, a 40 megapixels main camera, 20 megapixels monochrome, and an 8 megapixel telephoto camera. But my main question is, with these things, with three cameras on an iPhone 10, for example, is why would you need three cameras unless you're replacing a regular DSLR? Are phones going to replace DSLRs in the future? I think that's the main question we have to ask. Should we make our YouTube videos? Should we make our full videos? There has been a video, a Hollywood blockbuster video thing movie shot completely with an iPhone. And should this be something for the future? Should phones replace the real cameras in the future? Because let's be honest, three cameras? We don't need three cameras. I only use my back-facing camera on my phone, and when I use it, I just take a quick picture and I don't do anything special. Let's be honest, 80% of the people who have a smartphone just have a smartphone because it's cool, it's handy, everyone has one, and because they want to be part of the group, and because a smartphone, you can't live without one right now. There are 20% or maybe a bit more that are really into the tech and really into the pictures and really want to take the pictures to the next level with their smartphone, for example, for Instagram, for Snapchat also. But is a smartphone really something that should replace a DSLR? That's my main question, and I'm asking it to you. What do you think? Should a smartphone replace a DSLR? I want to have a discussion about it, and I want to have your ideas on this, and then we can discuss further on another video, and maybe if you have questions you can ask them as well. But I think that's a pretty interesting question, and I think it's already happening on some phones in some cases. But where does it stop? Where do you put the value? So where do you put the money that goes into making a phone, $1,000 phone, and giving something back, so getting something back, something that's worth that money? Where does that stop? If you pay $1,000, do you get $1,000 worth of stuff? If you pay $1,500, do you get $500 more worth of stuff, or do you get a bit more worth, but not worth the 500? And where does that stop? Because prices are just getting higher and higher. And I think in about 2 years we'll have a $2,000 or $3,000 phone, and it won't even be weird. So what do you think? Will phones replace DSLRs? Let me know and let's have a discussion.